Foshan SUK Precision Machinery Company Limited is a high and new technology enterprise of R&D, manufacturing, sales, after-sales service of automatic horizontal packing line, automatic vertical weighting packing machine line, and cartoning machine, so on. And we determined to help the customers to save the cost, improve the efficiency, and realize the all-automatic workshop. SUK Precision has a large number of experts in packing machine industry and management personnel with ability who can have the profound study and understanding on the customer needs, market change, machine technology, and industry development. The professional team and development department, basing on the demonstration and experience analysis, keep on launching new packing machine to satisfy market. The accessories modular production guarantees the quality stable and interchangeable combination. Meanwhile, the sales and after-sales team offer the best automatic solution and service to customers. Our servo packing machine with high great popularity from overseas for rubber gloves, switch panel, vegetable, fruits, hardware, long pipe and automatic counting packing can saving the labor cost and improve the efficient, which are cost benefit significantly. We committed to solve the low efficiency manual packing and help the customers save the cost and make more profit. We trust we are the truly partner to achieve all the packing request, and we sure the high quality, highly efficient, high performance price packing machine designed by SUK can bring bright future in packing industry domestic and overseas.